I'm going to show you exactly how to add a profile picture on Outlook email. We'll do it in Outlook on the web so you don't need the desktop app. Open your browser, go to Outlook.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you're already signed in, it drops you straight into the inbox. Look at the top right corner for your profile icon or initials. It may be your initials instead of a photo, that's normal. Click that icon. A small panel drops down with your name and your current picture or initials. Now the part people skip. In that panel, click the picture or initials again. The first click only opens a preview, it does not take you to the photo settings. That second click opens a separate account page. On this page, you'll see either Change Photo or Add Photo depending on whether you've set one before. Click Change Photo or Add Photo if that's what yours says. A file picker opens. If your photo doesn't appear in the folder, switch the file type filter to All Files at the bottom right. Choose a photo from your computer. I always pick a square headshot here because Outlook will crop it into a circle. A wide or tall shot usually cuts off part of your face, and you won't notice until the crop screen. Avoid tiny thumbnails too, they turn blurry once Outlook enlarges them into the circle. If your file is over 4 megabytes, Outlook may refuse it, so use a smaller JPG if it doesn't take. Once the image loads, you get a crop screen. There's a circular overlay on top of your photo. Drag the photo around until your face sits inside that circle. If the crop screen gives you a zoom slider, use it to push the picture a little closer or further back. If the photo is rotated, use the rotate button before you save. When it looks right, click Save. Outlook processes the image for a second and the dialog closes. Look back at the top right corner and your new photo should be sitting there in place of the initials, but they didn't actually stuck outside the settings page. Click New Mail and look at your avatar next to the From line. If it still shows the old image or initials, refresh the page once and it should catch up. To change or remove the picture later, go back to that same profile icon in the top right, click the picture again, and the change or remove option is right there on the account page. You can swap at any time. If this got your picture showing in Outlook, give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.